Hello everybody, today's my topic is chemical kinetics. This chapter belongs to class 12 syllabus. Today I solved some previous year MCQ which came in NEET and JEE main entrance examination. It is seen that in every year one or two question comes in this such type of exam. So this topic chemical kinetics is important for the all India entrance. Now my first problem is for the chemical reaction N2 plus 3H2 reversible 2NH3 all are in gaseous phase. The correct option are below. This question came in NEET 2019 exam. Now we know now for this reaction we can write reaction rate is equal to minus d of N2 dt is equal to minus 1/3 d of H2 dt is equal to half d of NH3 dt. So from first and third term we can write minus d of N2 dt is equal to half d of NH3 dt. This option is B. So correct option is B is. So for this question correct option is B. My next question is in a reaction A plus B arrow to product the rate is doubled, the reaction rate is doubled when concentration of B is doubled, and the rate of reaction rate increased by 8 times when both the concentration of AB are doubled. Then rate equation can be written as the following way. There are 4 options are given. This question came in CBSE AIPMD 2012. Now from the given data we can write rate R is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power alpha into molar concentration of B to the power beta, where alpha is order of a reaction with respect to A and beta is order with respect to B. From the given data we can write 2R is equal to K into A to the power alpha and 2B to the power beta, because concentration of B only doubled in first case when reaction rate increased by doubled, and second case reaction rate increased by 8 times. So R becomes 8R when concentration of A and B, both A and B are doubled. So 8R is equal to K into 2A to the power alpha and 2B to the power beta. By dividing equation 3 by 2 we get alpha is equal to 2, and when we divided equation 2 by 1, then we get values of alpha is equal to 1. So the reaction rate is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power 2 into molar concentration of B to the power 1. So option D is the correct one. My next question came in JEE main exam 2019. Here given a reaction 2A plus B arrow to C. Here the initial rate at defined concentration are given below in a table. Here also calculate rate law for the reaction. Concentration of A and concentration of B in defined experiment are given and defined initial rate also given. So from the table we can write, now we know let reaction rate is equal to K into A to the power alpha and B to the power beta, where alpha is the order of reaction with respect to A and beta is the order of reaction with respect to B. Now from experiment 1 we can write 0.045 rate is equal to K into 0.05 to the power alpha and 0.05 to the power beta. From experiment 2 we can write 0.09, that means rate is equal to K into 0.1 to the power alpha into 0.05 to the power beta. And from experiment 3 we can write 0.072 is equal to K into 0.2 to the power alpha and 0.1 to the power beta. To determine the values of alpha and beta, here we can divide it by equation 3 divided by equation 2, we get the values of alpha. Now one of the term is determined by dividing equation 3 by 2. Now when you divided equation 3 by 4, then we get the values of beta. So alpha is 1 and beta is 1. So reaction rate becomes rate is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power 1 into molar concentration of B to the power 2. So probably option A is the right one. My next question is 2N25 undergoes reaction to form 4NO2 plus O2. The initial concentration of N2O5 is 3 mole liter inverse and 2.75 mole liter inverse after 30 minutes. Then the calculator of rate of formation of N2O5. This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. From the given equation, we can write reaction rate is equal to minus of del N2O5 dt del T is equal to 1/4 del NO2 del T is equal to del O2 dt. Now, in this question, from question, we know at time T0, concentration of N2O5 is 3 mole per liter. And at time after time 30 minutes, concentration of N2O5 becomes 2.75 moles per liter. So, concentration of NO2 decreases. So, change of concentration of NO2, that means minus del of N2O5 del T is equal to 0.25 by 30 mole liter inverse second inverse. Putting this value in the above equation, we can write, now from this reaction rate we can write minus half del N2O5 del T is equal to 1/4 del NO2 del T. So from this equation we can calculate the values of del NO2 del T is equal to minus 2 of del N2O5 del T. Now minus del N2O5 del T values is 0.25 by 30 multiplied by 2, we get the values of 1.667 into 10 to the minus 2 mole liter inverse made inverse. Now there is a correction one. In the actual question, the rate of formation of N2O5 is, and the option B is the right one. My next question also came in JEE Main exam. Now the question is when 2A plus B arrow product, when concentration of both reactant A or B and doubled, then the reaction rate increased from 0.3 to 2.4 mole liter inverse second inverse. But when concentration of A is doubled, the reaction rate increased from 0.3 to 0.6 mole liter inverse second inverse. So which of the following sentence is true? Now to determine the values of reaction order in this reaction, we can write, from question we can write rate is equal to R is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power alpha and molar concentration of B to the power beta. Now from first experiment we can write 0.3 is equal to reaction rate increase, initial reaction rate 0.3, 0.3 is equal to K into A to the power alpha into B to the power beta. And when both our concentrations are doubled, that means then reaction rate becomes 2.4. That means 2.4 is equal to K into 2A to the power alpha and 2B to the power beta. Again, concentration of A is doubled, the reaction rate increased by 0.6 mole liter inverse second inverse. So 0.6 is equal to K into 2A to the power alpha into B to the power beta, and we get equation 1, 2, 3. By divided equation, when we divided equation 2 by 3, then we get the values of beta is 2. And we divided equation 3 by 1, then we get values of alpha is equal to 1. So the reaction rate is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power 1 and B to the power 2. So the order of reaction is 2 with respect to B, which implies that option C is the correct one. So option C is the correct. Now the next problem came in JEE Main 2018 exam. At 518 degrees centigrade temperature, the decomposition of gaseous acetaldehyde initially at a pressure of 363 torr, and this pressure becomes 1 torr per second when 5% had reacted, and 0.5 torr per second when 33% had reacted. So the order of the reaction is become option 1 2, option B 3, option B 1, option D 0. Now we know when CH3CHO undergoes dissociation, it forms CH4 and CO gas. Let order of the reaction is alpha with respect to acetaldehyde. It is given that R1, that means 1 torr per second when 5% acetaldehyde was reacted. That means 95% unreacted. So R1 proportionals to A minus x1 to the power alpha, but A minus x1 is unreacted acetaldehyde. Again, R2 is equal to 0.5 torr per second when 33% acetaldehyde reacts. That means 67% acetaldehyde unreacted. So R2 proportionals to A minus x2 to the power alpha. By dividing R1 and R2, we get the values of R alpha, which is values is 2. So the reaction is second order reaction and option A is correct. My next reaction is 2A plus B arrow C plus D. The following reaction results are shown at 298 Kelvin. There are concentration of A and B 0.1, rate is 1.2 into 10 minus 3. When concentration of A and B are 0.1 and 0.2 molar, then rate is 1.2 into 10 minus 3. And third case, concentration is 0.2 and B is 0.1, rate is 2.4 into 10 minus 3. Then the rate law of the formation of C is, there are given 4 options. This question came in JEE Main 2014. Now to solve this problem, we can write dCdt is K into A to the power alpha into B to the power beta. Now from first experiment, we can write 1.2 into 10 to the minus 3 is equal to K into 0.1 to the power alpha into 0.1 to the power beta, equation 2. From second experiment, we can write 1.2 into 10 to the minus 3 is equal to K into 0.1 to the power alpha into 0.1 to the power beta. And from experiment 3, we can write 2.4 into 10 to the minus 3 is equal to K into 0.2 to the power alpha and 0.1 to the power beta. By using equation 2, 3 and 4, we can solve the values of alpha and beta. When we divided equation 4 by 2, then we get alpha is equal to 1, and we divided 3 by 2 equation, then we get beta is equal to 0. So the rate equation is dCdt is equal to K into A to the power 1. So option D is the correct one. Now the next question is N2O5 gas CS converts to NO2 and half O2. The rate of disappearance of N2O5 is 6.25 into 10 to the minus 3 mole liter inverse second inverse. Then calculate the rate of formation of NO2 and rate of formation of O2 is given respectively. There are given 4 options, and this question came in CBSE AIPMT 2010 exam. Now from the reaction it is given, and this is the reaction rate. From the reaction rate we can get the values of DNO2dt 1.25 into 10 to the minus 2 and DO2dt is 3.125 into 10 to the minus 3. So the option B is right one. My next question comes in CBSE AIPMT 2010, and this was solved by this method. To solve this problem, we get the 4 equations for the 4th experiment, and by dividing equation, if we divide equation 4 by 1, then we get alpha is equal to 1, and when we divided 3 by 2, then we get beta is equal to 2. So rate equation is K into A to the power 1 into B to the power 2. So option D is correct. In the last question, for this reaction, we can establish the rate equation, and the equation is, for this reaction half A is equal to 2B, we can write reaction rate is equal to minus 2 dAdt is equal to half dB dt. So minus dAdt is equal to 1/4 dB dt. So option B is the correct one. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and put on the bell icon below the it. Please like and share my channel, and thank you for my watching this channel.